So over here, I am in my YouTube studio, and now to access out our channel, let's just go around over here onto the profile picture and click on it. So once you open that out, you can see the profile picture, but you don't see any channel banner. And usually when you're visiting a YouTube channel, when you see a banner, you can get extra value out of it because you really know what your channel is about through it. So to add in a banner image onto your channel, you can go around and click on Customize Channel from the channel homepage right here, and then you get back to YouTube Studio right here in the customization section. So from over here, you can click on branding, and from over here, you can see that banner image is an option. And you see the requirement, like it says for the best result, certain resolution is needed right here. Let me just go around and click on upload right here so that it opens up the Explorer window, and now I can select the banner image that I have and press open right here. So there's the example video channel, as you can see, and over here it divides it out on how the banner will be viewable in different devices. For example, in TV, you can see that all of the images that you see right here is seen. So usually how you want to design your banner image is you want to make sure that the main content is at the center like this, because it is viewable in all of the devices right here. This is viewable on desktop, so you can see that what you'll see on desktop is this, and this is viewable on TV. So the important text or important images that you want to be viewable in all of the devices like cell phone and tablet, you want to keep it over here. So this is the desktop view and the TV view right here. So once you're happy with how this looks, you can also go around and adjust it right here, as you can see. So this is what you have. You can adjust it out if you want to crop it, but I just want to go around and then drag it all out right here and press done. So once that is done, what happens is that you'll see the sample right here just like this, and it says this image will appear across the top of your channel. And once you're happy with this, you can go around and press publish. So once you go around and press publish, what happens is that the channel artwork, that is the banner image, will be uploaded right here. So you can see that it is uploading, and now the changes have been published. So you can go around and click on go to channel right here, and you'll be able to see this. On the top, there's the banner image right here, and this is what you have, which adds in value to your YouTube channel by letting your audience know what the YouTube channel is about. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.